Hey friends, welcome back for another hair tutorial. I'm super excited to share this half up, half down, simple, quick and easy hair tutorial. So this is my daughter Vivian and I'm getting her ready for her maternity photos. So as you can see, she has tape-in hair extensions, which create a lot of length and volume. And so I parted her hair, sectioned it off. You can section it as thick as you like. Some people like to go right above the ear or leave a little more hair covering their ears. But her hair is pretty thick with the extension, so I think this is a very good amount. So I took a piece of hair and wrapped it around the rubber band. And as I get towards the end, I like to spray it or put some type of product. And now I'm gonna secure it with bobby pins. So as you can see with the tape-ins, it's really challenging to get like a straight, even like scalp line parting. So what I'm doing is using the L'Oreal Root Cover Up spray. And this is really good for gray hair, fine hair, thin hair. I have multiple colors in my kit. It's a must. As you can see, it's diffusing the scalp line very nicely. So I'm just spraying that on there. I'm even gonna put a little bit in the front on her hairline as well. And this is gonna look so good in photos. So especially if you have a very fine hair, you can see your scalp, it's a game changer. So now I'm going to begin curling her hair. I'm using the Babyliss 1-inch curling iron, and I'm gonna curl everything down and towards the center, away from her face. And to be honest, you guys, I didn't get a lot of the process of me curling. So in the next clip, you guys are gonna see her hair all curled. But a tip that I have, as you can see, her hair is curly and wavy underneath. I really focused on prepping more of like the front and the top, but I'm using the Kinra thermal spray and it's a spritz. You can see the shine already, so that helps when it's frizzy or curly, and it's also smoothing it at the same time. So now her hair's all curled. I'm gonna go in with the Olivia Garden finger brush. I love this brush. They have 3 different sizes. This is the smaller size. So I'm just gonna work her hair and just start brushing it out, and they're gonna fall into waves. So I get told a lot of times when I'm doing lives or just by clients that their hair doesn't hold a curl, and it's really good to curl tight. And as you can see, I'm brushing it out. Of course, it depends what look you're going for, but if your hair doesn't hold a curl, it's a very good way to try it on yourself. You know, try curling it with a tighter curling iron with like a 1-inch and brush it out. It goes more into waves. So I encourage you, try different things, you know, try different things. And I hope you guys pick up some tips from my videos. But I'm now using the Well cream. It's nice because it's not too oily. It's more of a cream. And I'm just going to work it in. And that's going to smooth out her ends, eliminate flyaways. It like rehydrates the hair. It's awesome. And you can use it before you blow dry the hair, but I love using it for both. So I'm just going to keep working it until I'm happy with the results. Vivian is so cute too. As you can see, she's doing her nails. She didn't have time to get them done, so she did press-ons, and hey, press-ons come through. So anyways, you guys, so I'm just about done, and I'm just really working her ends. Like, that's like the main thing. As I'm almost done, I really make sure the ends look polished. And so this is what the front looks like. I'm gonna brush the front out a little more as well. I mean, look at that. It's just falling into place. So I highly recommend you guys to try this method. I highly recommend it. Try curling it tight, try brushing it out. Now I'm going to use the Spritz hairspray, and I'm going to just hit it with the flat iron, her bangs, and this is going to give it a very polished, clean look. And one of the things I highly recommend you guys, that is so important if you're a hairstylist, is always making sure the front is super polished and clean. That is so important. So I hope you guys picked up a lot of tips and tricks. This is it. This is the final look. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment below for more tutorials, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to share some of her pictures from her maternity shoot.